Hey Hubert, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We met yesterday evening. I was pretty tired, but this morning I figured before I get started, I'll swing up here on, and I thought I'd jump up here on top of the roof to do a brief inspection, and I can kind of show you a few things, and that way you can, be well informed before you make a buying decision. So I'll flip the camera around here, do a roof inspection. We look at granular loss, flashing details. We also look at the seal tabs on the shingles, how they're holding up, gutter inspection. So based on what I'm seeing on the roof, I do feel that the roof is definitely savable. Just needs a little bit of TLC. You can see here where the lichen and moss is starting to grow. So we'll get that cleaned and treated, and then we'll do a roof tune-up. Generally when we do a roof tune-up, we'll go along all the leak-prone areas where the flashings are. Any soil pipes you have sticking out of the roof, we'll put in a rubber gasket around those. Looks like you have lead pipe over there. But if you're going to invest any money into this, I would definitely say we might want to get some work done on this chimney. Usually we'll caulk up any cracks, but this thing has seen better days, so I'm not sure if it's worth you investing any money on saving it, but really I think it needs to be redone from the top up here. The flashing looks pretty good. So if you know a good chimney guy, but you can see from this angle that the shingles are starting to show the fiberglass, and the asphalt is being exposed with missing aggregate. But that's a sign of, that's just starting to wear away. Pretty normal and typical for a roof this age. We can easily get it another 5 years, easily. And then after 5 years roll around, we'll re-inspect this roof, possibly do another treatment. So great way to save the roof you have. I think down there it's 2 layers. Right here I'm not convinced it's 2 layers. I'm going to go over there to the garage and take a look at the gutters and the shingles there too. I see this area here on the back of the house is a little bit newer shingle compared to this older stuff. You can see the shingles are having some challenges. The seal tabs are starting to lift off. So what happens is after we do a conditioning treatment, it seeps down into the shingle and helps reactivate those seal strips. We're also going to repair that shingle there. When we do a roof tune-up, we also seal up all these areas here again, and seal up any areas where the caulk is no longer doing its job. Put another gasket around here. Okay, in the photos there was a massive hornet's nest on this side of the garage, but just to show, without getting stung, the brackets have come off the gutters. They've been nailed on, and you can see what's going on right here. So we're going to need to get that re-screwed on to the house. I don't think the gutters need to be replaced. They can be tuned up pretty quickly. This is about the worst of it on the garage, but for the most part the shingles are in decent condition. They're still glued down. Just needs a little TLC. When we do a roof cleaning, kills all the organic growth, mold, mildew, algae. This is lichen. It's grown roots down into the shingle, and after we do a treatment it turns yellow or white, and that'll make sure it's dead. So then you give it a month to 2 to 3 months for it to dry up, and the hard rains rinse it right off. So pretty cool process there. Get these gutters cleaned out. So based on what I see, we're in good shape for saving this roof, saving you a lot of money. So thanks for having me out here, and I'll take a look at the packages down below. Our company, we do our marketing a little bit differently than most companies. We don't actually do any radio or TV ads. Me and another helper do all the work. So the way we excel is by making you super happy and you being able to tell your friends and family about us. So if you look below, I might have created like a a marketing ambassador package, so we'll discount our services in a way that allows us to get a video testimonial from you, and that helps us out with marketing. So thanks so much. Any questions you have, call or text me on my cell, 815-520-6020.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed, with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science